Got goddamn stars in that bit. No cap, we did them hoes ourselves, bro. I told y'all we charging 3 racks for this shit. If you really want this shit, bro, we charging 3. Alright, y'all, we in that bit, man. Y'all see right here, we got the 392 Scat Pack headliner, you feel me? Finna put stars in that bit. Tell me what's good, man.
This shit gonna take a couple hours, but we're gonna do it.
My boy sit right here, stop playing, big wheels on that bit, you feel me? Little 392. See that boy got Hemi on that bit, no cap. That bit hitting though. Y'all boys know that bit hitting. That boy need to wash, but we all need to wash, you feel me? We stay lined up though, you feel me? I don't think you seen my boy Scatty Waddy. Y'all would come cat, no cap. Bro, I be showing y'all my car every time I pull up the video. Y'all see my shit. Oh my God! It's the fastest shit on the block, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I need a wash too, man. Y'all remember the last video I did a wash? Man, that video was probably like a week ago now. We riding in the cat though, cuz, you feel me? I only got 2 doors, but you know, 2 doors mean more whores.
You some freaky ass nigga!
What is you saying, nigga? You know what I'm saying? Hopefully get that cat, man. I'm gonna show y'all
It's a lot of bad shit out here, man.
Oh man, that's a lot of bad shit out there, man. No cap. That's all we do. Man, you know they finna put me in the back, man. I'm finna get up with y'all though. Y'all boys, see we sliding in the cat right now, man.
Your brake squeaking?
Sir, are your brakes squeaking, sir?
Yeah.
The boy got them, you got them carbon ceramics or something, cuz? What's up? Let me know something.
My shit stay squeaking. I ain't gonna like low key.
Y'all, he talking about them fat ass 6-piston Brembo brakes, you know, them dirty ass brakes, you feel me? My brakes don't be dirty like that, you feel me? That's why I don't even be messing with all that, you feel me? But yeah, y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? We sliding that big cat right now, man. If I start hanging out the window, I'd really be a cat rat right now, but I'm not a cat rat, you feel me? So I'm not finna hang out the window with that shit, you feel me? If he starts sliding, bitch, I might. Let me know though, I might take these bits.
We got him.
Alright, y'all. We out there, bit. Still working. Putting in that work, you feel me?
No cap.
But yeah, we just got done marketing. Now we drilling the holes. You feel me? But look, though. I ain't show y'all how to take the headliner out the charger. I'm gonna link my homeboy video. He gonna show y'all how to do that bit, you feel me? And plug y'all in, you feel me? Not leaving y'all empty-handed. Then you come back to my shit and watch the rest over here, you know what I'm saying? But like, yeah, you feel me? Cause I'm gonna show y'all how to look at the end. It's gonna be looking like mine. Y'all know my shit glistening, bro. But yeah, almost done, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
196.
I'm gonna get back to y'all when I put all these right here inside of there. Stick it in the hole, you feel me? But yeah.
3 days later.
Alright, what up? We back. Different day, you feel me? Hey, unlock that bit, cuz. Unlock your shit, cuz.
Hey, turn some headlights off.
Alright, bet. I'm finna show y'all the stars we did right quick, you feel me? I'm finna cut his lights off. Y'all, I do not know how to work this Dodge shit. Is it the same way? Bruh, should I put it on auto? Should I put it on auto? Turn it off? I put it on auto, I think it's off though. Oh wait, do the lights still be on? Do the stars still be on? Oh yeah. Alright, bet. Let y'all hear that bit. No cap. Y'all, this some loud shit, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. My car ain't this loud, y'all feel me? Yeah, that bit barking, nigga, fucking you talking about? And the stars hitting. Alright, y'all boys, we in a Scatiana. Y'all see, we got goddamn stars in that bit. No cap, we did them hoes ourselves, bro. I told y'all we charging 3 racks for this shit. If you really want this shit, bro, we charging 3. You feel me? But yeah, you feel me? Scat loud as hell. You know what I'm saying? See, I got that bit sitting right there next to that big cat over there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we just coolin'. Finna hop out that bit, turn that bit off. Hop out that bit, man. See what these niggas talking about. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. Every time, bro, that bitch start up, that bit loud. What the fuck? Nigga said he's a backseat demon. We is in another nigga car right now, you feel me? He talking about he a backseat demon. Bro, what is he talking about? Oh God, bro, should I put this bitch in track mode and start revving that bitch? How I put that bitch in track mode?
Yes, sir.
Bro, I don't know how to work this Dodge bullshit.
I ain't gonna lie, we snapping this hell.
No cap, that's what I told him. I told him 3 bands. What you told him, Carl?
3 bands, man, make that bitch 5.
No cap, you feel me? We really know what we doing with this shit, as you can see, you feel me? Our customer is satisfied. Cuz, let's ask him. Cuz. Bro, let's get, come on, cuz. Let me let him get in his car, you feel me? But cuz, we gotta ask the people right quick, like how was our work on the stars, you feel me? How we did on
Listen,
that?
man. We started at 2:30. That shit ended like 9:30, bro. These niggas was going hard. This nigga's back was hurting, bro. We had to take breaks, but my nigga locked in and got it done, man. Shout out to my niggas, man. Chris and Kyra, man. These niggas the realest niggas ever.
You feel me? You heard it yourself, man. Daytona Scat, you feel me? Any car, we doing that bit. But I told y'all niggas 3 bands, so don't come with your money funny, you feel me? Had to hear that bit a little bit. I ain't even read that bit for real. I ain't trying to tweak out.